The next way of following up on your audience is via Facebook ads. Run Facebook ads, and I will give you a very simple thing wherein you would be able to run a lot of Facebook ads. बहुत ज़्यादा डिटेल में मैं आपको शुरू में नहीं बताऊंगा. Although we have already told you that you can become a part of Saurabh Bhatnagar's Facebook free of cost bootcamp so that you can get a lot of knowledge. But the other thing that you can do is all the emails that you have with you, all the email IDs that you have with you, and the contact numbers that you have with you can upload all of them on Facebook whenever you are running ads so that your ads are only shown to those people whose email ID or contact number you are putting on Facebook, because they would be accessing Facebook with the same email ID or the same contact numbers. So you would be able to directly get in front of people, and you know how many times a person checks Facebook. And again, it's a way of slight nudge, but a lot of people would also buy because of the Facebook ads. Facebook ads convert like crazy if you are actually got the knack of how to do it. So we will see if you will do all these things together, calling them, messaging them, mailing them, asking them about your questions, sharing with them success stories, finding a common reference point, running Facebook ads in front of them, getting connected to people, providing more opportunities to them, WhatsApp status, and there are so many more to follow. Don't you think that your revenue would increase? Don't you think that your revenue would at least be 20% more or maybe 30% more? And in most of the cases, your revenue would be doubled. You know, when we were not sending to people the reminder emails, our revenue was way too less. But once we started following up through emails, the revenue just rocketed. The revenue just went to the next level. The reason why that happened, brand recall. People want to do it, but something happens. They get a message from somebody, they get involved with something else, they don't have money at that particular point of time. And that's the power of doing follow-up, because that gets the results. So what you're doing is you're doing a strong follow-up in the form of calls and messages. You're doing a slight nudge by sharing success stories, WhatsApp statuses, Facebook ads, and mails. So all these multiple ways will ensure that the revenue will increase, that more reminders would happen, that the more trust is going to be generated. All these things put together will get you more and more and more sales for you. People, I guarantee you implement all the things that we are teaching to you inside the sales masterclass, and you would be in a position to literally dominate your market or your industry. आप सारी चीजें implement तो करो, आप सारी चीजें आगे अपने काम में लेकर तो आओ. That is what is going to get the results for you. मैंने आपको Facebook का भी बिल्कुल ही simple चीजें बताई हैं. Otherwise और भी बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं. But what I have told you today is the simplest way. And the second thing that you can do is learn more about Facebook ads. Put a pixel, okay? Put a pixel on your website so that all the people who are visiting your page, they can be retargeted. It is known as the Facebook retargeting ad. You can do that as well. Because जो लोग आपकी वेबसाइट पे आए हैं उनके लेने की प्रोबेबिलिटी तो अपने आप ही ज्यादा बढ़ जाती है ना. वही काम आपको भी करना पड़ेगा. Okay? So the 10th task for you today is importance of Facebook ads during follow-up. Please note it down. Kindly note it down, everyone.